This right here is why we don't crawl in that. Don't scream at me. You did this to yourself.
We need you. Bet.
Oh my god!
Our friend, the pigeon, and he's lining up. Is he L2 or L3? And he's flying down the field. He's going down the cover. The special teams coordinator said he was going to come up with a plan for the Eagles.
Don't bring a horse in the house.
No. Oh, got it.
Oh, that was so cute.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Huh?
Wow! Get away from the vent. He fell in the vent. Oh my god. No. No, oh my god. Oh my god. Boo! Come back! Oh my god. Oh my god. Mom!
Hey, bro, you don't work here.
Sure, I'm not hurting you. I'm not hurting you.
There's a oh shit! Oh my god! Oh.
I work hard to make this house a home.
Hey, where your mom at? Where you? ¿Dónde está mamá?
Are you new here?
Yeah.
Sean, you want this potato? Wait. Alexa, can guinea pigs eat potatoes?
Oh my god, Tony. Tony, watch out. Don't move.
Scared to open this one.
Ma'am, we have already established my name is not Garfield and I'm not no damn house cat. Put me the hell down. Unhand me, you scoundrel. girl. What is wrong with you?
My God.
Let's go!
Hey. What is Get out of there.
Welcome back to KFC. How can I help you?
Yeah, there's a chicken out here.
If I could just grab that flower.
Safe drop. Come on, I got this. She's a little bit further out there. She'll grow up one day.